Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to make this nice looking zigzag pattern of puff stitch. This is what we are going to learn, and this we can use it to make the jewelry. It can be used as a cord for the mobile pouch, for the clutches, as handles we can make, and also this can be used to make the belts or some other accessories. So let's start without any delay how to make this. Now before starting, this actually is made up of 3-ply cotton thread or yarn, and for 3-ply yarn I have used 1.6 mm hook, and now we will be making with a 4-ply yarn which is also cotton. This is 2.5 mm hook. So for making this, the base, it is a ring which is formed of 6 chains, and then we have made the puff stitch, and again we made 3 chain stitches. So we are going to make this the base ring. So this is what we are going to make, and first we are going to make the slip knot. This is the slip knot. Now make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and form it into a ring by inserting the hook in the first chain where we started the chain stitches, and then slip stitch, join it and make it into a ring. Now make 3 chain stitches, 1 2 3. Then we will be now making the puff stitch, the first puff stitch, and the first puff stitch obviously will be made in the ring. Now using this ring space, we are going to make the first puff stitch, and puff stitch is made by taking the yarn over 5 times. So yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, grab the yarn and pull it through the ring. This is second one, third one in the same way, fourth one, fifth one again, yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, pull the yarn through the ring and just pull it through, and yarn over, and here we are going to pull this yarn through all these loops which are on the hook, including this hook, this loop. So just pull it through all of these loops. If you are a beginner, you can simply first pull through the loops which are forming the puff stitch, and then pull it through this chain stitch, and then close the puff stitch. So this is the first puff stitch which is formed. Now we are going to make 3 chain stitches, 1 2 3. We will be turning this work from right to left, not from front but from back. Turn from right to left. Okay, and yarn over, and here we will be making use of the space between the 3 chains and the puff stitch which we have made before. So the space which is formed between the 3 chains and the puff stitch is where we are going to make the puff stitch for the next puff stitch. 1 2 3 4. So just take care, these loops should not come in between. 4, and the last one, 5th one. Pull through the loops and then close it. Make 3 chain stitches, 1 2 3, then turn. Again we have turned it from right to left from the back. Yarn over 5 times again. 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4th time, yarn over 5th and the last time. Pull the yarn through the loops. So now close it. Again make 3 chain stitches, turn it from right to left, and this is what we need to remember always, and we just need to make the puff stitch in the space between the puff stitch and the 3 chain stitches that we had made in the previous row. Now this is how it is formed. Again make 3 chain stitches, turn your work from right to left, yarn over 5 times, 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4, yarn over 5, done, and then pull through all these loops, close it, make 3 chains, and we can continue it as long as we want. So we can continue it depending on where we are using it. If it is the handle which you are making for the purse or the clutch, then you need to make a slightly longer or shorter one. If you want, you can make. And if you are making for as a bracelet, then we will be measuring the wrist and then making it accordingly of that length. And for earrings also, you can in fact decide how many puff stitches you want and how long you want the earring to look like. So it all depends on the product that you are going to make. This is it, and then please continue it as long as you desire. Hope that you liked this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications for the new videos which will be uploaded. Thank you once again for watching my tutorials, and bye for now. Take care.